Hey everybody, welcome to Sewell Healing. Today I was working on some clients and I was having some low back pain. I'm actually feeling it left side around the QL, quadratus lumborum muscle, shooting down. I should say it's starting more into my glute muscles. That's where I'll usually feel it first, that glute medius muscle. And I was going to show you a technique using a rubber ball. If you don't have, this is a pretty dense rubber ball. If you don't have that, you can use even a tennis ball. Tennis ball is a little softer, but it'll still get the job done. Especially if you are super tender like I am. This is going to be a little intense. But the nice thing about self-massage, especially using the ball, is that you are in control of how much you're leaning into that, and doing that self-massage. So if it's super tender, you don't have to back it all the way in there. You can ease up. So I'm just going to show you a great technique. This is really good for someone that is experiencing low back pain. A lot of times that is coming from the gluteal muscles. Try to get that where it needs to be there. So yeah, that top muscle down all the way into the whole glute body. When that's tight, that's going to kind of torque on that low back. There's another muscle that's involved with low back pain called the psoas muscle. That's a lot harder to get to, doing self work. I maybe get to that in another video, but that's a really good one that you would like to see another massage therapist and have them work on you to kind of really dig in there, or a PT, a good physical therapist knows how to access that. But today we're gonna work with the rubber ball and doing some self-massage. So I apologize trying to do the angle and let you guys all see, but you'll get the idea. So I'm gonna take the rubber ball, I'm gonna place it like right on the top of that glute muscle. And then I'm gonna back myself up to the wall and just lean in, okay? So I am just rocking right back and forth on the top of that glute muscle. And it's on fire right now, burning a little bit, little pins and needles. Feels like kind of little bee stings, which lets me know that that is where that tightness is coming from. That's kind of shooting up that left side of my low back. And then as I work, I just kind of keep working the ball down. Sometimes you might have to come back off of the wall, reposition. So now I'm getting down a little bit further into the glute maximus muscle, and just rocking it in and out. I'm putting a decent amount of pressure in, and then you can just hold, do your own trigger point work and just hold that and just give it a minute. A lot of times at first it's going to feel pretty intense, but as that fascia starts to release and the muscle starts to unwind, that pain starts to dissipate. And then I'll just rock a little bit more. Yep, that's on fire today. I've had a busy week. It's Friday. It's been a great week, but definitely starting to feel it a little bit. And it was interesting. I had somebody, my first client this morning, she was experiencing a lot of, she kind of had torqued her back. I think she had a little bit of a slip disc going on, but her pain was on her right side. We did a nice combination of cranial sacral therapy along with the massage. She was feeling much better when we were done, but It was interesting. I said goodbye, and then I turned and I was like, oh, what's going on? My left back is, what did I do to my left side? Hers was a right. I guess I was just helping her out there, feeling it on the other side. But anyway, but it's all in these glute muscles. So self-massage, I'm still, as you can see me rocking back and forth, still working on it. It's feeling much better. Feeling much, much better, but you get the idea, right? So this ball is amazing. I mean, it is amazing what you can do. Yes, that feels so much better. All the way up into my QL muscle right through here it's good. I can't even tell you how much better I feel. So seriously, low back, this is a fantastic self-healing tool. So I highly recommend. Big old rubber ball. This is like my favorite. But again, tennis ball works. Some people have asked me if they could use I think a lacrosse ball or a pool ball. That's getting a little intense. And the other thing that you want to consider, my wall here is actually heavy duty plaster, so I don't have to worry. But if you have drywall, you'd be surprised how strong you can be. And so you have to be careful, especially with a harder ball. That's why I definitely don't recommend a pool ball or a lacrosse ball. Because you can put those racquetball. It's not lacrosse ball. I don't even know what a lacrosse ball looks like, but I'm guessing that would be pretty intense too. I'm thinking of a racquetball. Anyways, racquetball, pool ball. I don't recommend that. One, you could literally put a hole through your wall. So let's not do that. Yeah, there's my little tidbit today on self-care and working that low back so that you can go on and have a wonderful weekend or day or whatever life brings your way. Thanks.